Good morning, friends. My second Saturday 2020. Just an update, quick update on my fruit punch mango. I planted in October as a 15-gallon tree. I did not trim it in October because there was no time to grow branches. It was the first one to flower and the first one to fruit. Flowered in December, and somehow the flowers survived the cold. Don't know how, but they did. So let's see a relative size. Nice size now. So this one's turning really yellow. So this one probably will drop, but the other one probably hopefully will stay. Already dropped quite a lot of mangoes because it can't support all of them. So I think more will drop. These yellow ones will drop. Probably hold one here. So I'm hoping to get at least 3-4 mangoes. That will be worth it. Really worth it. Fruit punch is one of my favorites. Excellent tasting mango. Just love it so much. I have 3 trees of fruit punch only. It looks like maybe when this tree grows up big, it might hold mangoes in bunch of 2 or 3, because this panicle is holding, but it will drop, but for now it seems very nice. We'll see how it holds, but I think when the mango gets bigger, strong branches, it will do good. And I'm hoping it's a fruit punch. As I always say, 80% chance it's a fruit punch, 20% chance it's a mango, which I won't know. And there is one more interesting thing, right? So everybody talks about having two crops from the same tree fruiting twice. So I noticed this the other day, right here. Look at that. Second bloom is not even entirely opened yet at the tip. And it's 3 months behind. 3 months behind than the original blooms. And it just came off of this branch which is actually holding a fruit. So I think the tree just wanted to grow and put a flower out. And there is one more which actually is even more behind, like a week behind the other one. So if this panicle holds fruit, I'm looking into a probably October harvest on this panicle, because these ones will be done in mid-August. Maybe mid-August, maybe late July, because this bloomed quite early this time. Usually my other fruit punch ripens in mid-August. So here you go. Fruit punch, not a very bushy tree, long branches. I was going to trim it, but got greedy. If I trim all the mangoes this year, I would not have no mangoes, so that's not acceptable. I trimmed some trees totally. So I plan to skip some trees 1 year and then fruit the others, and then skip them and then let the fruit others. So I'm gonna do that, because the growth season after we harvest in Phoenix, Arizona is very less. Like if I harvest in mid-August, I only have 1.5 month of growth, and it only puts out one growth. That's it, just one growth, and the tree will never grow like that. So I have to skip some trees. That's what I have observed in my garden. Maybe when they get big and strong, maybe they'll just put out growth no matter what. But for now, this is it. The beautiful and tasty fruit punch. This is from Phoenix, Arizona. Thanks for watching. Hope your mangoes are doing good. Have a good and safe day. Bye.